Hey guys, so today we are at Blizzard Beach, and I love Blizzard Beach. So let's head in and have a look. The first thing that I do when I get to Blizzard Beach is go to the beach house and rent a locker. If you just want to rent a locker and skip the store, Snowless Joe's is right next to the lockers, and it's just locker rentals. After I put my things in the locker, the first thing that I like to do is head right over to Summit Plummet. And there are two ways that you can get up to the top of the mountain. You can take the ski lift, or you can walk. For my first ride, I always take the ski lift. If you're afraid of heights, it's a kind of high up, but the plus side is it's a great view of the park overall. You get a preview of the Summit Plummet slide and what it's like to go down it, and it's relaxing.
You're approaching the unload area. Please keep your feet clear.
Step off right there. And head straight out like that.
Head out to your adventure.
Also, a good option for those who don't want to go down the slide but want to see the view, there is a mezzanine right below the slide, pretty much underneath it. It offers almost the same view as the Summit Plummet slide, but without the wedgie. I'm going to be honest with you, part of the thrill of this attraction is climbing up these steps to the top of the slide. These two levels are pretty intimidating if you're afraid of heights. I don't have a huge fear of heights, but coming up these steps and just seeing pretty much very little between you and the ground below is kind of scary and thrilling, but it's part of the build-up for this attraction. And the view is so awesome from this point that you can see key points of the entire Walt Disney World. You can see to Animal Kingdom, the back of Expedition Everest right here, also Hollywood Studios. You can see the Tower of Terror. This has to be the highest point for any attraction in any of the parks. I mean, this view is crazy. So let's take a ride down Summit Plummet.
Please remain seated. The shower will resume moving.
Squeeze your butt cheeks real tight now. Don't want to get a wedgie.
Oh my God. Next, I usually walk back up the mountain and do the attraction right next to Summit Plummet, and it is Slush Gusher. To me, this attraction is more fun than Summit Plummet because you get a little bit of air time at the end. You pretty much come completely off the slide.
Keep those legs and arms crossed.
Let's do this, Slush Gusher. This is like a roller coaster ride in a water slide. So the cast member is making a phone call to see if I can go down the double slope single. I've always wanted to go down a different slope beside the one that goes down the tube. So I'm waiting.
Alright, just have fun, alright?
Thank you so much, cast member. You really made my day. So much fun. Runoff Rapids, Red Slope.
Hold on with both hands. Reach the bottom.
One of my favorite things about Cross Country Creek is the ice cave. Why do I like the ice cave so much? Well, it's just as much fun to walk through as it is to ride through. There's cold water dripping from the ceiling as the ice melts. It's nice and cool inside. Treasures line the pathway. Just a lot of fun. This person is texting and tubing. Maybe he's making a fast pass on his My Magic Plus. And this is where Ice Gator lives. There's a garden by his house where he's growing some winter vegetables such as snow peas, ice plant, broccoli, and iceberg lettuce. Currently he's inside with a really bad cold. If you like getting sneezed on, you're gonna love this part of the ride because, yeah, pretty messy and gross. Now let's head out and find something to eat. There are plenty of places to get ice cream, funnel cakes and cotton candy, coffee and big pink donuts. There's even a bar. But if you want to sit down, you have to go to Lata Wata Lodge. I love this place because it's themed to a ski lodge and they do a great job with the details. So you see the fireplace here, some skis. I'm going with the chicken salad one more time to try to balance out healthy to not healthy, because you all know that I like my mini donuts at the water parks. And what better place than Blizzard Beach to sit by the lazy river and eat donuts and watch people float by. So thank you guys for coming with me to Blizzard Beach. Had a great time. Now let's head out to Epcot for more food and wine. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click subscribe if you want to see more Disney videos. And don't forget to click like on videos that you enjoy. It lets me know that you want to see more and I'll keep the videos coming.
Ciao, buonasera. Welcome to Italia. Benvenuti in Italia.